In this video, you'll learn how to find your Binance user ID. By following these steps, you will be able to easily locate this important identifier for your account. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance mobile app. Once you're on the home screen, look for the profile icon, which is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to access your account profile. Ensure you are signed into the correct Binance account before proceeding, as this will take you to, after accessing your account profile, you will be directed to the profile or account information page. This section contains various personal details related to your account. Scroll through the information presented on this page until you find a field labeled user ID. This is a numeric identifier unique to your Binance account. It is important to differentiate this ID from your email address or referral code, as those are not the same. Once you locate your user ID, you may tap or copy it as needed for future reference. Make sure to verify that you have the correct number before moving on. This step is crucial as it confirms that you have accurately identified your Binance user ID. Next, it is important to save your Binance user ID in a secure location. This could be a password manager or a secure notes app. Use your user ID only when necessary, such as when contacting Binance support or for verification purposes. Sharing this ID publicly can lead to misuse, so be cautious about where you enter it. Finally, double check the user ID before submitting it anywhere. Keeping your account information private is essential for maintaining security. This step ensures that your user ID is used safely and effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.